welcome to my little hobby, my little channel, my little... When I feel like making a video, I'm gonna post it. Hi, I haven't posted in a long time. I had originally planned to vlog my drive down here, and down here is Atlanta, Georgia. Anyway, but the footage really isn't that good. I don't know, I'm gonna look it over again and see and decide what I want to do with it. But don't really like it. Also vlogged making my friend's charcuterie board for her birthday. But again, footage isn't that cute. I didn't get that much, and it just was not working out the way I wanted to. So what I do have for you today is a clothing haul. It's fairly small. I've been thrifting, haven't really found anything that I did find I was like I found, okay, this shirt that I'm wearing, I got at Goodwill in Midlothian, Virginia, and I found one almost exactly like it in like a peach color. It was beautiful. If I go back to Goodwill, I might consider getting it. We'll see. If I go back and I find it's meant to be, but if not, then whatever. But yeah, so thrifting has been a bust. I did go to Urban Outfitters solely for the clearance section. I found some cute stuff. They actually had fitting rooms open, so I tried some stuff on and didn't work out because I am not on the little titty committee. I'll just say that. That's why. In Urban Outfitters, 95% of the clothes or the tops or the dresses are for the itty bitty titty committee. So yeah, then I decided to go to Zara. Line was super fucking long. Decided not to go. Turned my ass around. Got Auntie Anne's. And I went to TJ Maxx, and that's where I hit the jackpot. I've also included a couple things that I got from Target. So I'm excited to show you guys that. I have some workout clothes, I got some accessories, kind of accessories, I guess. I don't know if they're bags. They're bags. I don't know if they count as accessories. But yeah, I'm gonna show you that. I'm gonna go grab my coffee right there. I'm gonna sip it while we do this. So let's do this right now. Oh, did I mention this is also a try-on haul? I probably put it in the title of the video, but yeah, it's gonna be a try-on haul too, so I don't know, I just wanted to try them on for you, because like it's a whole Pondy replay, so I don't know when I'm gonna be able to get to wear all these clothes out. Like today I dressed up to go to Home Goods. Anyway, let's get started. Sitting back down, we have our coffee now. This lighting, listen, it's a love-hate relationship with this lighting because it looks good, it looks fine on video. It's straight up the lighting that's in my room. I don't have a studio light, so this is what's gonna work for us right now. So one of the first things that I had bought was some workout clothes, because I did start going to a gym here and I wanted some more workout clothing to look cute in. And also, I finally have friends that want to go hiking. This is the first thing I bought, which is like a, I guess like a crop top, sports bra built-in type dealio. I don't know what it was called, but it's from the All in Motion line at Target. It's very comfortable, very cute. I feel very confident in it, I'll say that. This is the back. By the way, this is dirty right now because I wore it to hiking on Sunday, so I literally just pulled it out of my hamper, so we're just gonna toss her back in there. But yeah, no, it's very comfortable. I love the, like how stretchy it is. So this is the material, like the design on the material, I guess. It's green with like these small little Small little. Why did it need 2 adjectives? When you're trying to fit the word count on your essay. These like very thin lines of like a dark green or like a black. And I think it's just really cute. Inside it's just black. So yeah, we'll toss that back into our hamper. I was gonna say Kobe, but then I got sad. Next from Target, to go with that, I got bike shorts because I'm a super big fan of bike shorts, big t-shirt, like a purse moment. Like I think those kinds of outfits where it's just like leisurely but still cute, like some Fila, some like cruise socks. Is it cruise socks? The ones that kind of just go up a little past your ankle or whatever, just like, you know, something to, you know, put things together. Maybe I'll put it together in an outfit or something, but these are the bike shorts that I got. It's a camo print because camo is actually kind of coming back. It was actually back like several years ago, but I didn't want to hop on the trend, but now I am. So if I'm late to it, I don't care. There's 2 pockets on each, or 1 pocket on each side. Super comfortable once again. But next we have, still from Target, this is back to normal clothing. I guess we never did introduce normal clothing. We just started off with workout clothes. But normal clothes I would wear out to, like, I don't know, walk the belt line. If you don't know what the belt line is, you're not a real Atlantean. Anyways, I saw these pants and I was like, they're giving me Pinterest, YouTuber, influencer, like 18-year-old vibes, but I really like them and I think they're cute and I could do a lot with them. They are universal thread, which is awesome because usually that brand is like super like, I don't know how to describe it. I don't want to insult anybody. But these are them, okay? So they're kind of like a cargo pant deal, but they're like a lilac color. Lilac or lavender? I think like a lilac. This is lilac. They have like a little belt. We've got these pockets here, and then they have like these side pockets on each side. They're long, they're a little bit like a wide leg situation. I think these would look awesome with some docks, like maybe like roll up the bottom. They're very comfortable. I like the back because it has this like these seams that meet at the middle. Super cute, super cute. So those are the pants. And of course, because those are such bold pants and colorful pants, I needed to, they're not super bold, but bold for me. I don't usually buy colored pants like this. I needed to get a shirt that would go with it, and these tank tops are really in, I think. So I got one that's just a purple tie-dye. This is also cute for like just working out. I can toss this on top of maybe some bike shorts or capri workout pants, whatever. This is a small because it's the only size that they had that would have fit me, because large would have been too big and small would have been, or medium they didn't have. But it's fine. I tried it on and it's fine. And I also got, same deal, this is a size medium though, same thing in like a peach color because it's just so cute. It's so pretty. I think that's it for Target. That is it for Target. So let's move on to TJ Maxx. My baby daddy. I love TJ Maxx. And Target. Don't get me wrong, that goes without saying. Target is always number 1. Let's just get that clear. TJ Maxx. I went there yesterday to get this stuff. So we'll start out with the accessories because that's just, this is the order that I found the things in. So I told you I've been hiking more and I've been wanting to find a backpack that's just like that type of thin material that just keeps the things that you need. Perfect room for a couple like light snacks, like nuts and things like that. You know, all necessities you would need on a hike, as well as like a water bottle, like a pocket to hold like water. Found this one that I thought was really cute. It's by Most Wanted. I looked at the tag and it said that it was like made out of recycled materials. So I was like, look at that. Look at that. It's got what I want and it's made out of recycled materials, which is amazing. Then the other feature that I found out about it was that you can fold it up and put it in put it in itself. You can fold it up and you can put it inside of itself and you can pack it away. Anyway, I was excited. I was looking for like a neutral color, I'm not gonna lie, but I thought this color just, I don't know, it just really was super cute for me. I like it. So the next bag I got, I've been on the lookout for a cute like mini handbag, like those ones that little shoulders, it's like hanging out right here and it's like, oh my god, Johnny, did you pick up my lip gloss? Like, look how cute. It's like ruffled and it's blue. You can't tell, it looks kind of lilac-y like my pants, but it's not. Here, I'll hold it up next to each other. This is like a baby blue, kind of a muted baby blue, and then this is the lilac. I love it a lot. It's super cute. It is made out of vegan leather, which like on an ethical, like for animal standpoint, that's awesome. But on an eco standpoint, it's not the smartest thing because vegan leather is plastics. You just have more plastic in the world now. So as far as leather goes, I think personally, if we want my opinion, 100% genuine leather is probably better. So now let's move on to the clothes of TJ Maxx, from TJ Maxx. Start off with this bodysuit right here. Isn't she cute? Like, she's a little thongy. She's a thong girl. I love the thick straps and like the high collar. It's not too low. The back is just simple black. Like, it's just super cute, very comfortable. I didn't go out in search of bodysuits. I've actually like never thought to wear bodysuits, but I just decided to take a chance. I took them home and I tried them on and I was like, why did no one tell me about this? Why did no one tell me about this? Next bodysuit is this nude color. I don't like saying nude because this is nude for me, but it's not nude for anyone with a darker complexion than me. So I'm just going to say a pale tan. It has these elastic thin straps, stretchy. Love the cut. It's pretty low. So next bodysuit is probably my favorite. And it's this mesh one. Like the neck part is fully mesh, but like the body part is not very see-through. I mean, it kind of is, but like against like skin, I don't think it won't be that see-through. But again, it is a tank top. It does go kind of low. And all of these, I think I would tuck into jeans, or maybe the tan one, like into those pants. That would be cute. So it's meshy, it's a tank, it's gorgeous, breathable, comfortable. But I have one more bodysuit. It is tan once again, and it has a similar cut to the other tan one. Also, this color is just a touch darker, than that one. The back, it kind of looks like a leotard, actually, now that I think about it. But the back is so pretty, and when it's on, it's so pretty. It's like low and just very summery, very cute. I see myself wearing this often. Very excited to wear these out. And now we get to the tops. So we'll go with my least favorite first. It's just super basic and just fun and just a plain old top. Yeah, it's really nothing special, but it's cute. It'll look cute. My next favorite, I think, will have to be this one. It's cheetah print. I'm finally getting into the cheetah print trend. The material I don't like that much, but because it just feels like that like cheap kind of shirt. I don't know if you can tell, but tried it on. Super cute. Again, I can crop this if I want to because it is a little bit long for my liking. I have to see how many outfits, what outfits I would go and put with this, because I could put this with high-waisted pants and tuck it in, or high-waisted pants and crop it up. So we'll just have to see what I decide to do with it, but it does have that mock turtle. Next, oh, I didn't even realize this was a large, but it fit well, cool. This is the last thing I got. It is just one of those plain little ruffled shirts. I'm pretty sure you can, maybe you can't. Oh, yep, you can like, again, I don't think I have the itty bitty titty committee approval of doing this, but we'll see. Like, you can scrunch it all up and it'll be like kind of more open, a little bit more cropped that way, but if not, like, it still looks cute when it's just cinched in the center. And again, such a cute little basic piece put on top of, I don't know, whatever, but very cute on with this. Love it a lot. 10 out of 10. That is the haul. Let me know if you guys want a little room tour. You're looking at 95% of it right now. So what to expect from me from this channel? Fuck, I don't know, dude. Definitely some like cute lifestyle stuff, some vlogs. I'm going to be in Atlanta for the foreseeable future, so if you want to see me do cool stuff in Atlanta, comment down below. But anyways, yeah, let me know what you want to see from me. Again, I'm cool with vlogs and lifestyle shit stuff like that. Shit stuff like that. Shit stuff like that. Shit stuff like that. Let me know if you want some lookbooks. Oh my god, lookbooks! That's the end of this video. I'm gonna stop talking now. This has been so long. I can't wait to edit this and see how stupid I look. Thanks for tuning in. And enjoy the rest of your time until you see my face again. Is that a cool outro? Okay, maybe we'll keep that. Feet pics, not for free.